Hello students, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Mhatre, Assistant Professor in Botany at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanza, District, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. I am your teacher for FYBSc Semester 2 Botany paper number 2 known as Forms and Functions 1. In this presentation, I am going to discuss with you the details of syllabus of Botany paper 2 of semester 2. First of all, we will see examination pattern, and your semester 2 examination paper pattern will be same as like your semester 1. 100 marks theory paper and 50 marks practical paper. So no change in semester 2 examination paper pattern. Now let's continue with botany paper 2 theory syllabus. In paper 2 you will be having 3 units, unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. Unit 1 is known as anatomy. So basically anatomy means study of internal structure of plant parts, and in this unit you will be having first topic simple tissues and complex tissues. You all know that all living organisms are made up of cells and tissues, and in this unit we have to study tissues or simple tissues and complex tissues present in the plant. So in simple tissues, parenchyma, chlorenchyma, arranchyma and sclerenchyma, and in complex tissues, xylem and phloem tissues. So first topic is simple tissues and complex tissues. Second topic in unit anatomy is primary structure of dicot and monocot leaf, stem and root. In this topic we will study primary structure or internal structure of dicot and monocot leaf, stem and root. In simple words, we will be having TS of monocot leaf, TS of dicot leaf, TS of monocot stem, TS of dicot stem, TS of monocot root and TS of dicot root. So study of primary structure in root, stem and leaf. And last topic is epidermal tissue system, and in that topic we will see type of hairs and monocot and dicot stomata. So epidermal system along with type of hair and type of monocot and dicot stomata. So this all constitutes about study of internal structure of plants, and it is known as anatomy. Unit 2 will be physiology, and physiology deals with study of internal processes of plant. This entire unit is nothing but the revision of your 12th science chapter photosynthesis. So in this unit, first topic is photosynthesis, which includes light reaction. Second topic is photolysis of water. It means Hill's reaction. Third topic is photophosphorylation, and in that cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And last topic is carbon fixation phases or carbon fixation pathways, which includes C3 or Kelvin cycle, C4 and CAM pathway. So entire unit is repeated from your 12th science biology photosynthesis chapter. And last unit in botany paper 2 is medicinal botany. This is Very interesting unit because it is related with medicinal plants or crude drugs or Ayurvedic plants. In this unit, first topic is concept of primary and secondary metabolites and differences between primary and secondary metabolites. Plant contains different types of chemicals such as alkaloids, tannins, glycosides, lipids, fats, pigments, and many more. These chemicals are termed as primary and secondary metabolites. And in this first topic, we will see details of primary as well as secondary metabolites. Second topic in this unit is known as Grandamma's pouch. Very interesting topic because in Marathi it is called as Ajibaicha Batwa. And in this topic, following plants have to be studied with respect to their botanical source, part of the plants used, active constituents present, and medicinal uses. In all, 6 plants are given for study of botanical source, plant parts, their constituents and medicinal uses. This plant includes Ocimum sanctum, Adathoda vasica, Zingiber officinale, Curcuma longa, Santalum album and aloe vera. In Marathi, Ocimum sanctum means तुळस, Adathoda vasica means adulsa, Zingiber officinale means आलं, Curcuma longa means हळद, Santalum album means chandan and aloe vera means कोरफड. So this is very interesting unit because it is directly related with use of medicinal plants. Along with unit 1, 2 and 3, you will have practicals based on all 3 units in your syllabus. So practicals of unit 1, practicals of unit 2 and practicals of unit 3 are also in your syllabus. So this is all about syllabus of FYBSc Botany paper 2 for the semester 2. Thanks a lot.